Yo, 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 this is Saul, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. This is the legendary event, the dragon that rules the sky. Here we are with Hard, take down Zinnia, round 2. Quick connect, and let's begin. I won't switch my teammates. There's a reward boost of one times per day, 3 times items. Here we go. Kukui desu.
All right.
Sync or chance, Leer.
I'm going all out. I'm going all out. Go!
Lowering their defense.
Go! I won't hold back. I got this. Do it. I won't hold back.
Time for Accelera.
Go! Do it. No way. Oh no, my Pokemon.
Time to show off my amazing Pokemon.
Do it. Oh no, my Pokemon.
Time to show off my amazing Pokemon.
I'm going all
That's
out.
it. Do it for me.
Do it.
Sorry guys.
Go.
Ow. Do it for me. Go.
Go. Go.
And that's it.
Ow.
Accelera is a fun to use move. It's different from,
All right.
Pokemon before.
When it comes to battles, I know what I'm doing, yeah?
And that is
After all, I do
take
love
down
my
Zinnia,
research.
round 2, Hard. If you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up, comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. Was this here before? Was there a custom super buff blend? Like custom blends? I don't think there's a custom like that before. I think it's only custom voucher and custom training machines, super training machines. This is new, I guess. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, comment, share, thumbs up. Bye-bye.